And as expected, guys, I told you EHANG have a sign of weakness from the last week, from the video I did at the 19th of March. And I told you guys to watch out from the price level, and we actually gone to this level. Before we actually talk and we see the next level for this week, please like and subscribe to my channel. Daily video with Trading Jesus, no editing, no BS, and straight to the information, straight to the chart, and where I always told you guys, no FOMO, and straight to the action and hunt for the right price value. So shall we go and see the technical and see the prices and what the chart have to tell us? So as I told you guys from the previous video, I told you we want to actually overcome this level at 45, and I told you this is the most important level for EHANG. We've been trading a lot, and this is the price value for EHANG for $45. And I told you guys, when we have this big candle, when we break the level at 45, we don't have a supportive volume. See guys, that's why when we actually even broke our 21 AMA, we got drop in volume because the price is not supported by the volume. That's why we got this drop after we break from the 45, and we drop. And now at 18th of March we tested the 21 AMA. We never bust it again because this is a fake out, guys. That's why we never actually bust this level, guys. This is really important. When we break from any resistance level, we need a volume to support this breakout, but this was not supported. That's why we dipped, and now we try to actually at 19th March to test it. No, by today we got this big red candle. That's why I told you guys this is a sign of weakness if we trading below the 21 AMA, and that's why at 45 and there is no volume. That's why we can't hold this level, because it's really important level, guys. That's why we dipped, and I told you guys if we don't go above our 21 AMA, big chance that we actually gonna go and see the $40. And now we actually go to even $42, and the 200 AMA actually support acted as a support, and now we actually trading above. But look at this wick candle, this really small candle, and we have a really slowing volume, and there is no big volume here. That's why this candle is gonna turn to red, and this is a 4-hour candle. Let's go to the 1-hour candle. That's why, see with me guys, we are actually trading officially below the 221 AMA, and this is a sign of weakness. That's why here guys, boom, today we actually tested the 21 here, and let's see. Yes, this is the 21. We touch it, and boom, we got dipped until the 42 exactly, guys. And now we got the rejection here, and another red candle forming. Now we're gonna test the $42 again, because when you go at the 4-hour chart, the big picture, we're gonna see that the wick of the 4-hour candle touch the 200 AMA. This is really crazy, because if we just go again and retest this level, guys, we gonna see the $40, as I said in the previous video last week. And this is the most important level that we gonna bounce from if we have a lot of buying pressure at this level, guys. Really important. And another thing I want to stress out, and really important, because last time we actually dipped this big dip until the 32 or even 29. Then we have the volume to actually break from our resistance at the 40, then the 44, 5, then the 54, and we actually changed the trend from downtrend to uptrend, because we're trading above the 21 and 200 AMA. And but what, guess what happened now? Now we actually get down again, and now the moment of truth, if we dipped below this level, guys, at 200 AMA, this is a really bad indicator, because this is a sign of weakness. And whichever time we actually trading below the 200 AMA, this is a sign of downtrending. We're going to go to downtrend again. So that's why we have to hold this level and not going past it, in order to test the $45 again. And as we see here, the candle is still holding above the $42, and any retest for this level, we go to the $40. If we don't hold the $40, guys, this is a big sign of weakness. This is really important. If we go just the 39, guys, the 39, there's a big chance that we go even dip to again to retest the 32 level, guys. So really important to watch out for the $40. If we just dipped at 39, this is a big sign that we're gonna test the 32 level. But now, as you see, we're still holding. We just have 1 hour to finish our session today at Monday. So the idea is now we hold this level in order to actually, by tomorrow, maybe we test the $45 again, and we have another resistance that we actually will catch up here, and will the 21 will act as a resistance now. And we need the big volume to support us, guys, to actually go above and close above this time here with volume like this one. Look, boom, and big candle like this one. Not like this one, big candle, but fake, with fake volume. This is really important, guys. Now we holding this level, perfect. We still not going actually at 40, because we actually have the support at 200. If we go down at 40, we need to hold it. If not, at 39, this is a big sign of weakness. We go even dip to 30, as I said, at 32. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, daily video updates. So as I always say, with the trading Jesus, no FOMO, and hunt for the right price value. So leave a comment, like, subscribe, and never actually, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. I will be more than happy to answer you guys. And tune in for the next update by tomorrow, and hopefully we'll see some green and we hold this level as expected. If not, be ready to hunt the next dip, as I predicted here in the video. And never actually FOMO. If you actually invest in the company in the future, always be ready to average down at the right price value, not just buy at any price. So guys, see you in the next update, and hopefully you have a nice Monday, and see you in the next video.